There are three aspects that we have to consider in this journey that all our industry is doing, from the traditional network to the autonomous network. Number one is the network automation. The number two is the workflow automation. And the number three is fundamentally orchestration between the networks and fundamentally the processes that are necessary to keep the network up and alive. The experience that we are developing together with BT, like with those with other customers, it's all around the capability to automate the understanding of what's happening in the network when something goes wrong. The experience that we have done together with BT is the transformation of what normally the tier 1, tier 2 engineer do manually in an automatic process, with adding the capability to understand the potential problem, define if the problem is an important problem, is a critical problem with just a warning, and then create all the trouble tickets that contain all the necessary information for potentially a tier 3 engineer understand and define the root cause. Technology are more and more complex, so fundamentally if we don't use automation and intelligence, the single engineer cannot support anymore the activity that is doing. At the same time, operators are forced to maintain or to keep the operational costs as low as possible. So the capability of Ativa in really automate all the diagnostics and troubleshooting the problem is a great help, not only to reduce the operational cost, but to increase the capability of the service provider to provide the right quality and the right support to their customer in real time. The autonomous network requires a different organization. Fundamentally, as I said, it's going to be more automated driven, more artificial intelligence driven. That of course it requires the entire organization top down, from the executive down to the engineer, to face a complete different type of environment, and that requires some time to adapt the mentality and processes. Autonomous network can be done on the new technology, but what about the legacy? I mean, remember, large operators have a big legacy environment that they have to maintain, sometimes also for the law in the specific country. So the combination of the new technology and the legacy technology need to have a sort of combination of technology in terms of management and in terms of operation. The devices and the type of business require a complete new type of analytical intelligence and understanding what the customer needs based on the specific real-time requirement, and adapt the network to really provide the right service in terms of price and quality. The Ativa product that we have has been designed to really support the hybrid situation, as well as to drive all the journey to the new full autonomous network. That's the reason why I think that our customers are getting so much value out of Ativa.